Hi, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Bob Rob, the science slob. Oh, what's that doing there? Sorry about that. Before we get much further, let me introduce my assistant. One moment, please. This is my assistant. She doesn't want to be on camera, but this is Mrs. Kumquat. Back to me now. Today we're going to talk about Sin City. No, we're not. We're going to talk about density. Some of my scientist friends might say density, but I say density. So here we go. We're talking about density. Or we might say porosity. Porosity, or some of my scientist friends might say porosity. We have to find some rocks, and look what I have on my bed. Can you see these rocks? So we got a geode, a piece of big rock, a little rock, and some medium rocks, and some salt rocks. Follow me into the bathroom where we're going to test density. Do you think rocks can float? Follow me. We'll find out. Follow Bob, Rob, the science slob. Here I have a pool of water. This is salt. I'm not going to put that in the water. It will dissolve, and it's one of my favorite rocks. Now, do you think that this geode will float? Let's try it. It's got a hole in it for air, if you can see that. Let's see if that floats. Oh! No, that does not float. That's because it's got too much density. Now we take this big giant, let me take this piece, look at that one. That's a pretty heavy rock. We got this little rock right here. Which one of those is going to float or sink? Or are they both going to? Let's try this little one first. See what happens when I put that in the water. Oh, it sinks. It sinks. It's got density. And it's from Sin City. Here's another big heavy one. What is your guess about this one, huh? Huh? What do you think about this one? Well, here we go. Look at that! That big rock floats. This is pumice. And pumice is an extraneous igneous rock. It's formed outside, igneous rock formed outside of volcanoes. Actually a form of glass. And it's got porosity up the you-know-what. Because it's so porous, it's got a lot of air. And that's what makes it float. So for all you out there, this is Rob Bob, the science slob, saying goodbye.